Hi everyone, I'm here with a design team project for Mindbarity. This is using the new Boho Christmas journaling kit, and I have linked the Mindbarity shop below. I think if it's still on, there's a 20% off sale, so you should go check it out. She does have some beautiful kits. This kit prints out at 5x7. There are 9 double pages and 3 sheets of ephemera that include tags and envelopes and some tab cards. And this journal is going to be available in my Etsy shop, and I have linked that below. So let me show you what I did. I have used some binder rings here. This journal is very similar to the garden party journal that I did a couple of months ago for Mindbarity, and I have intentionally done this very similarly. I thought it kind of went nicely with that collection. So I have used just some printable paper on the front here. I've edged it with some gold rub and buff. Layered this picture. This is not from the kit, but this is a Pinterest image. I've layered that with some sheer fabric here and some gold lace trim. Inside, I have left the covers, front and back cover blank. And you can see how beautiful this collection is. There's some kind of untraditional colors in this kit, but it really is beautiful. And this would make a gorgeous December daily. Let me just make sure I have you still in frame. Yes, okay. So I have backed the pages just with some lined paper and just done a little bit of corner stamping. This is some avocado dyed paper. I have added, that I've made into a pocket, I've added some pretty trim here. I've done a bit of stamping and added a tab there. This picture is a Pinterest image that I've included, and this really beautiful postcard is from the kit. And then I've just added some hole reinforcers throughout, just in different colors and different styles, just to add a little bit of interest to the book. These are the tab cards that come with the kit, and I've added December 24th and 25th here. Those are some Tim Holtz rub-ons. And I thought these were great places just maybe to add some small pictures or just some quick journaling. Really pretty images on these. And this is a glassine bag that I've added. I have layered it with some vintage ledger paper, and this is a printable. I believe that's from the old design shop on Etsy. And then I've just included a journaling card using the same cover paper, and then I've just done a bit of stamping on the back there. And this glassine bag is from A Tattered Dream on Etsy. So I've also added a little bit of scrapbooking paper to this kit that I thought went well with it, with the kind of unusual color combinations that are included. And I've just used some of some paper here and some hole reinforcers on this page. I've clipped on, just with a paper clip and a jingle bell added, this pretty Christmas postcard. I think that's from Nostalgic Graphic Kind on Etsy. More stamping. I have this order blank for the Wanamaker Christmas book here that I've included. A little bit of stamping here. I've added a pocket on the back with some more of that vintage ledger paper, and then in the pocket I have a couple of inserts. So you'll see as we go through, I've printed the kit at its full size, but then I've also printed it at a reduced size. I believe this is 50%, and I've used these as some journaling cards throughout. Some pretty trim there. This is ledger paper from A Tattered Dream, and it's a flip out. I've added more of that trim, a rusty safety pin, and just a stamped tag. These images are just beautiful. You see this kind of coral color, the brighter green. Really, really different, and I've added a label there. Another page that I've reduced in size, and I've just added a couple of tags. This is some ledger paper that I've coffee dyed. It's a flip out, and then I've got a pocket on this side. Another of the pages reduced in size, and then a coffee dyed index card that I've done some decoupage and some stamping on. And I've included one of these long envelopes just with a paper clip and a jingle bell there. Used some of the cover lace as a pocket and added another of those pretty postcards. This is some avocado dyed paper again. And on the back, a pocket with a journaling card. And an envelope that I've cut down. I've done a little bit of stamping and added some lace there. And inside I've just made this tag. That's cut apart from the collection, just with a little bit of trim on it. Another great place to do some journaling or maybe add a picture. And on the back, I've added just more of that scrapbooking paper. This is from Tim Holtz's ephemera collection from last year. And then this is open at the back as well to add a tag too. This is one of the tags from the kit. I haven't included it. There's a few of the tags that I will send along with the book for whoever ends up purchasing it. I've added a little bit of extra trim there. And another label that I've stamped. An envelope, I don't have anything in it, with a label here. And on the back, a belly band with just a Pinterest image with a little gem there. And this peppermint sign is from Tim Holtz's ephemera collection from last year. Isn't that beautiful? I love this spread. How unusual this is for a Christmas book. The colors are just really beautiful. Another piece of ledger paper I've made into a pocket with a little bit of washi tape here. This is a Pinterest image, really pretty. It's got a little bit of turquoise in it. And then another of those coffee dyed index cards that I've stamped and put a little bit of decoupage on. And more of the scrapbooking paper. This layaway tag is from A Tattered Dream, and I've clipped it on, and I've added just a little garment pin from A Tattered Dream with a jingle bell and a stamp tag and just a little bit of trim. And on the back of that page, another pocket with some of that trim again. And in the pocket, I've got this to and from tag, another of the pages that I've reduced in size for a journaling card, and then this envelope that comes with the kit. It's a petal envelope, and I've just added some lines to the back for a little bit of extra journaling space. And here I have added this really pretty glassine bag from the Everyday Journal. That's Lori Jagadish's Etsy shop. And I've layered some coffee dyed doily with an image over top. That's a Pinterest image. And then a tag using the same cover fabric and stamped again on the back. And this is a CD envelope from A Tattered Dream. I've just added a bit of paper and some washi tape and a label here. And on the front I have, inside I have adhered some of that vintage ledger again, and I've put some rickrack, some kind of fancy rickrack, and then I've just stamped some holly in the corners. And that stamping in the corners, that is an idea that I got from Liesl. So thank you, Liesl, if you're watching. I just think it adds a nice kind of bit of layering to an image. And then this is the last page with another one of those labels on it. So this is from Mind Verity. Beautiful kits. You need to run over and have a look at what she's got. And this journal is listed in my Etsy shop. So thanks everyone for watching, and I will be back soon with, actually I think I will share my December daily, what I'm using for my December daily this year. So I will see you soon. Thanks very much for watching.